3. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, I'm Haley. I'm Chelsea. And today we are making different kind of slime for Valentine. Yay. Alright, so we'll be making different kind of slime. I'm starting off with, I put water and glitter, Valentine made glitter. And then now I'm going to put some glue in it. That should be good. And then I'm going to put some ties in it to make it more. Hopefully this one will turn out good, because we did more. And it's in a bowl, but we wanted to show you guys. What? Alright guys, this is our first time really making videos, so sorry if we laugh a lot, but I'm just going to talk right now until Haley breaks my shine. So right now it's literally glue, so the tie is glue, but I probably need more, a little bit tie or glue. Trying to get fun, but I need more. Yeah. I'm going to start with glue. We're just so happy that we're doing this. And then next I will put the activator. And then I have glitter here. Barbie is really good. I'm gonna put one of those and then start showing it. So I'm gonna do like a pink and a silver glitter. The pink is around thing. And the silver will kind of go with it. And it'll come out more. Well guys, it's not really turning out how I expected it to be. Like the other one, but mine is already turning out like mine. I might have to take the stuff that's already on me out. Let's start it. You're fine. You're starting nothing. And the reason why we wanted to make videos like this is to like make it like just like to like run out of time. And so we're probably like this is like have something for us to do. Yeah. To spend time with each other. So hopefully our channel is called Life with Brothers. We have to cut this out. You make best friends. Yeah, Life with Best Friends. Cause like Life with Best Friends, like you get to do fun activities with them, like hang out with them, stuff like that. Just spend time with them, you know what I mean? And that's the most part why we wanted to do this. Just to share videos with you guys. And stuff like that. So right now mine's getting the way there. Mine's slowly getting there. Yeah, mine is so like looks like slime, but it's still very sticky. Like I can't really play with it, or it can stick all over me. I'm literally the most one that's doing the most laughs, because that's a lot of things out. Hopefully let us do it. But mine's like this like watery blue purplish kind of slime. Mine is like clear with the colors I put in it, like pinkish and red, not green, but it has red from the bowl, red glitter, and then a silver glitter. Oh wow, it's coming along. It's like that blue. It's like that bluish watery kind you wanted that time. Looks good. It's like really so. I would put more activator in it, but it probably just makes more running because I put like a lot of activator in it. Huh? I just think that's funny. I'm sorry. But how's yours turning out? Kinda good. I think I need to end this. Looks pretty. No?
Yes, no.
You just have to keep playing with it to make it. We have to do a lot of editing for this first video. It's actually coming along, guys. Like very good. It's doing it slowly. You have to keep playing with it. It's fine. But while this is turning this I want to show you. I'm show you the purple one we did before. Yeah. This one is like. This one actually turned out very good. It is sticky a lot. I think we made several before we did this. Make sure they work. Yeah. I mixed most of mine together to make this giant slime, but
That's very funny. It's very hard and heavy.
yeah, because I kind of left it out all night. But this one actually turned out pretty good. It had a tip on it.
Yeah, that one's like a purple, and then we get like this clearish one with all the colors of the glitter we made.
Yeah.
And it's like perfect. We just made this one. I made this one today, and it's like very shiny. More you stretch it, you gotta play with it more. We're not too sticky, but it's like perfect, like regular slime would be when you just made it or you buy it. And like very stretchy too. But very this one was very easy to make. It didn't take that long. It was hard. Not really hard.
I guess the one I'm making is like you just have to keep like you know playing with the sun slime to like make it like very non-sticky.
Yeah, she has to do it because we're both using different activators. She's using Tide, and I'm using a Nickelodeon slime activator. And hers is like container. But we're both using the same kind of glue. We're just using different activators.
Hair in my mouth. Huh? But mine's actually coming out this pretty waterful blue. It's actually very pretty. It don't really look Valentine's Day, but I might like the same way.
Mine kind of looks kind of funny because it has those colors in it.
You don't think so? She has longer nails than mine, so I bite mine. So she's good and handy when it comes down to stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
That's also another reason why she's my best friend, but not the only reason. We play more than things out fun.
Okay.
But we're gonna explain to y'all how we met each other. It's at school. She was like, me and her was in a homecoming thing, and like she was shy. She didn't really talk to nobody. And so mostly me and her was in this homecoming thing. We didn't talk. We were running against each other. And so one day I was in the hallway and I talked to her and she was looking at me like, I want to talk to you like, and I was like, okay. And finally, I can't really remember the time we really talked, but I know we met in school and then we started becoming friends for like 2 years, I think. No, 1 year.
Yeah, cool in that last year.
Yeah, but she still goes, she still goes to school. Not giving out any personal information.
She's homeschooled.
Yeah, obviously. But we still try to see each other almost every week.
We see each other like Saturdays, Sundays, and Wednesdays.
And sometimes Sundays. Depends if she sleeps over my house.
Or go to church.
Yeah. But hopefully I was not boring to y'all. Because I know I've been boring for him. But, when I need to make more time. I should have got more pain. Might have to mix more of that. But mine actually came out fine.
So liquidy still.
Yeah.
Mine came out different because I used a different activator.
Yeah. Also, mine's like this because I had water. I put first water, and then I put like glitter in it, and then I put glue, and then I put Tide in it for my activator. That's why it's kind of jiggling and a little stretchful that much.
Mine is very like clear now. Not that much sticky-ish. It's like looks clear more you stretch it, but you can tell there's red, pink, and silver in it.
Mine has like pink and red glitter, and you could like not really Valentine. Yeah, it's not really Valentine's Day slime, but it's different kinds slime. That looks well at least try to look like Valentine's Day slime, you know. And then after we got moved on to our next slime making, and then we're gonna mix it up in this big bucket I have. Put all our slime in.
Yeah.
So say bye to your slime. You have to go put it back. You know, those containers like save it, separate them. You have to get more. Oh. I'm gonna try to use this slime that I made. It's kind of hard because I looked it out. So I put like all kind of beads in and stuff. And it's like this purple, the galaxy purple I made. Alright, so yeah. You put half of it. Half. A little bit more. Okay. This is hers. I guess you don't want to leave mine.
No, because it looks very pretty. Plus, I put water beads in it so that it has more texture to it.
Alright, next moving on.
We're going to do the same thing we started off with the last one. Probably not first. But we were going to do the glue and activator. Then we're probably going to add different stuff this time. Or different colors.
I'll put this one in there. Good. No. Right now.
I'm going to start in the glue thing. Yeah.
Alright, I think I'm
I'm gonna do orange water beads this time instead of red ones. So the red ones the last one.
I guess we're gonna make more clear.
Texture.
I need some of your sluggies. Just clear activator.
Yes. More
You're really bored,
probably. Like some red ones for more closer. Even though they might blend in. This time I'm gonna do blue glitter and purple glitter.
Oh, this one. This is something new. Usually use ties.
Now I'm gonna add activator and it should come flat. Hopefully. I'm gonna crack it in.
I remember me and my other friend, when I was somewhere else, me and her got this big bucket, and then we made a big thing of slime.
Whoa. For now, mine's looks like a bright orange. Most of the orange, but kind of clear sometimes.
It looks like Halloween.
Yeah. Well, typically now can't. Typically we're not. Typically in the slime they turning out like all Valentine's for us right now, like we wanted to, because we're not really putting Valentine's colors. We ain't got that much.
No more skin music in there. Huh? Sure. Alright, well guys, mine, I put red glitter, and I put clear glue and activator in it. This kind, it's like this Nickelodeon slime that her mom got.
Was Nickelodeon slime, but it's slime activator.
Yeah. So it helps with clear slime.
And technically we're not following the ingredients it says, because it said mix 3 ounces of glue, 1 ounce of activator, and 5 ounces of water, but we're doing different, but it still works, so we don't have to follow the ingredients.
Yeah.
But you can buy this at Walmart, because me and my mom got this. And then we also got the clear glue where it was at Walmart too.
How much is clear? to put this in there. Alright. I'm gonna eat it too. Huh? I don't know where you can put all of it at when you save it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put some orange pretty glitter glue in.
And I will do glue next to it. After I get this one done.
Very hard to get out. Hey. Alright, not most of it out, so that's good.
Sturdy.
I think we'll wonder what it'll look like if you
We need to do like the clear glue and then put those on top. You can make like a galaxy color.
and you put the glitter glue on top.
Yeah. I think this one's almost done. It may stick in my hand, so that's good.
If we have more glue left over tomorrow after church,
We will probably post another video.
yeah, just because it's our first time and we probably don't, we want like more
And
videos.
yeah, if you're just watching this, we're going to be mentioning this in every video because in this case someone's new. We're going to be trying posting every Saturday and Sunday. Well, sometimes we might end up missing it because we won't see each other because we're trying to do videos together.
Yeah.
So you can see this, well, I don't know if you see this, but it's these two, red and orange water beads in it, in purple glitter, blue glitter, and it still kind of looks very clear, but it looks almost Halloween. It would look more Halloweeny if we had a black water bead.
Yeah.
And it does have good texture. Cool.
Are you ready to put half of that in there? But we're gonna be ending this in a couple minutes.
What? Let me do it.
We're gonna be ending this in a few minutes. After she makes her other set. This time
Yeah. I'm gonna be using glue. Pink and green. First I'm gonna put clear glue and then put those on top.
this is actually fun. Well, I would mind turning out like this.
I actually feel like a pretty mixture of colors.
Yeah, but it's springy.
Probably got some more activated.
Why?
Put more activated, put more than you.
Yeah, sometimes the activator. Sometimes you want enough like glue.
Yeah.
Yeah, some glue sometimes. I don't like burning the bottle up. Yeah. Now it's turning out, missing out on that glue. Next, probably next week, I'm gonna try to get some clear and white glue.
We can also do it when we make glow in the dark glue. Because
Yeah.
they have that store too.
Yeah.
It doesn't really.
But once like we start producing on this channel, then we'll be able to get like more goody supplies for the channel.
More stuff to put in it
Yeah.
and more material so we don't gotta go to the store so much.
Yeah, like we can like buy a lot of like more glitter, like get stuff to put in the slime.
Like I was looking for hearts at the store yesterday to put in it for Valentine, but we couldn't find them.
Did you have $1 room?
Plus, we also looked at a house and stuff on.
Alright, well, mine turned out a pinkish, light pinkish,
Mine is a greenish.
reddish line galaxy thing.
I'm going to make it more little. Cool, some odd.
Alright, so I hope you guys like my slime making. Guys, I might make one more for y'all.
Sorry with these bee things. Where did you do that? Oh, my thing's off the bee.
Oh, here they are.
One bee.
You put these first.
I'll put the glue.
Do they grow in water?
Well, they grow in water. I won't put water in some.
Huh?
I won't put water in some.
Hey, yeah, I made water inside. You said they don't grow, they do grow.
They grow in water, so you need water to grow.
Huh? So I'm gonna get some more watery slime for y'all. As soon as I get my water. Did it die?
No.
Hopefully this is. Yeah. And it's still recording. Alright. Alright, well. I'm gonna make pie this time. Maybe add some glue to mine too.
My hand is very sticky, but I will do it one time.
Alright, now for the activator. You need a towel? So I got like all these materials at Walmart.
Because Walmart has a big crafting area, so it's very easy to get some stuff from Walmart for crafting stuff.
I might get, well, it depends if how much money I have. I'll probably get two things of ties from either, and then where did that come? How much is that? I'll probably get one thing of clear activator. Hopefully we have enough though. I'll probably want to get that. But alright, so this is like this blue ready. Right? So much is like, for instance, it's like one that's fine for the boyfriend. Like you can make blue is ready fine.
Boyfriend slash girlfriend.
Well, technically you can like make pink watery slime for your girlfriend or whatever color she likes, and like blue for like the boyfriend or whatever color.
Or what color they like. You know.
Which he likes. Huh? I'm gonna try to put this one out. I don't think they want to be on YouTube. We could put them on YouTube one day on our channel. Make a slime with them. One day we might bring our boyfriend on the YouTube channel for them to make slime with us. Huh?
Like, you want to do like likes or subscribers? Yeah. Like make a goal where you just put them out like put them out subscribers video, then I'm working on it.
Yeah. If we reach probably wouldn't say 2,000 yet. Probably if we reach at least 500 to 1,000 subscribers in 3 or 4 months. 1 to 5 months. Okay. Listen, if in 5 months, and then 5 months, starting today, or tonight, if we reach 500 until around the end of June, if we have 500 subscribers, then we will bring our boyfriends on here to make slime with us.
We will make sure, because since we will get out of school in June, we will probably upload videos on different days, like not all Saturdays.
Mostly.
Yeah, mostly. And we'll do it like a special. We'll make one special day where we will bring our boyfriends in. Like certain days we'll start bringing our boyfriends in. If we hit that many subscribers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which if we hopefully play you. Okay.
That's the consecutive.
Hmm? Well, this might be longer than I expected. Huh? Huh?
Huh?
But huh?
That is funny.
So that was the slime, maybe.
Where glitter all over me.
Well, mine's turning out.
Well, this one you could say is like a teal granite, pink, and then the two colors of the glitter I used mixed in made like a very light pink. Very glittery.
Oh, that's kind of the one I kind of made. Alright, get half.
Some blue in it.
Get half in. Guys, after we're done making our slime, which this is gonna be my last one. I wish it wasn't, because I love